Brick Township Marching Dragons are looking for members for its newly offered percussion ensemble. Come be a part of this unique opportunity and learn all about the world of percussion. We're looking for 8th through 12th graders interested in drumming, mallet percussion, or if you play an instrument like piano or bass guitar and want to play it as part of a larger musical ensemble. The best part is, no experience is necessary to be a part of this group. All it takes is a love of music and a little initiative. So join us at our open house and see what it's all about. It's going to be this Wednesday, December 5th, 7 to 8 p.m. in the BTHS Band Room. We hope to see you there.